Hi everyone, today we're going to cover a video on how to check your gradebook, check your grades, and check for any zeros that may be missing assignments. So the first place we're going to go is to the landing page for the platform for your classes. Click on classes, and today we're going to check math, the math class. So click on your math class. Go to the Grades tab. This is your gradebook. Different classes will have a different setup, so that some of them might look a little different, but math is pretty straightforward, so we're going to use this as our example. The top part is the current grade that you have, and as you move down, there will be different categories in the gradebook. This one, you notice attendance quizzes all in date order. You notice lesson checks next, all in date order as well. And then on quizzes, we come down and we can see quizzes in order by the units that were covered. Notice here that we're looking for any zeros in the gradebook. These are zeros, and we want to also pay attention to the very important teacher feedback here. This lets us know this is a zero because it is overdue, and you have until the end date November 1. So that means this assignment was from term 1. We are now in term 2, so unfortunately this assignment cannot be completed as it is past the end date of November 1. So let's move on down here to check and see if there are any more zeros that we could possibly complete before the end of term 2. So we do have some zeros here. There would be two reasons for a zero in the gradebook. Either you did take the quiz and possibly did not answer any questions correctly. You can check the quiz to see if you have a second attempt on it. Some quizzes do have 2 or 3 attempts. However, some only have 1 attempt. So make sure that you understand how many attempts that you do have on your quizzes in your classrooms. Secondly, a zero is because you have not turned it in and it has went past the due date, not the end date, but the due date, and the teacher has went into the gradebook and placed a zero there to let you know that it still needs to be completed. This teacher has left a comment for you, feedback. This grade is a zero because it's overdue and incomplete. She also let you know the end date is January 24th, which is very helpful information that lets you know that you can still complete the assignment for credit. A quick way to find the actual assignment in your classroom is to highlight, right-click, and then copy the beginning of the assignment title. Scroll back up to the tabs and click on Content. This will take you to a search bar here. You can paste in the title, just the beginning of the title, and it should find it. Click Search, and then it takes you directly to the assignment. If the assignment is a blue hyperlink, that means it's still open for you to complete. Overdue here, it does give you a notice that it did go overdue November 19th. However, the actual end date is January 24th, so you do have time to take it. When you click on this, make sure that you look at how many attempts you have. If you only have 1 attempt at a quiz, it is very wise to make sure that you are ready to take this quiz and that you understand the material. So that's a quick video on how to check your gradebook for your classes. Search for those zeros, look at your teacher feedback, and then find the assignment quickly in your classroom. I hope this helps you to be able to find assignments that may have dropped off your overdue tab on your main schedule, which will show here. This means there are 26 assignments overdue. Sometimes those do drop off as a zero gets put into the gradebook, so it's very important that you check your classrooms, check your gradebook for those zeros. Okay, and again, you just go to the classroom, click on grades, and then scroll down and search for those zeros to see if you can still go in and complete them. Okay, I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, this is Miss Clem, the high school advisor for grades 10 through 12. You can always email me and I'd be happy to walk you through it as well. Thank you.